Then request Sir and Madam to kindly honor and felicitate our Chief Speaker, Srimati Sunita Narayan, Editor Down to Earth, Padma Shri, Madam Sunita Narayan. And now, the lady who is leading her life as an example for others, our chief guest, Dr. Purnima Devi Burman. Eminent biologist and conservationist. Yes, actually. Well, let's wish her a very, very happy birthday and a prosperous life ahead. Thank you very much. With this, I thank
in Odisha for environment conservation. If you are from rest of India and if you are wondering as to what's happening in Bhubaneswar every year on the 24th of November, a leading publication actually brings together youth and nature conservationists from across Odisha and introduces them to national players such as those who are here with us today, and thereafter set a narrative for real-time, result-oriented conservation on ground. And getting people together like this is crucial at this given point because there's a lot of talk when it comes to nature conservation, very little action. This platform aims at promoting those who are involved in real-time action, giving them the network to meet with such people who have the experience, giving the field be there, spend the money, time, effort in delivering results. And for sea turtle images, where the images of a leatherback sea turtle from Andamans, he's the man behind it, and I'll tell you why it's crucial. As a school-going kid, we were introduced to sea turtles through his images. And if I was a school student in this audience, having him on stage would mean that I can technically walk up to him during lunch, talk to him about sea turtles, get to know more, and I'm seen at Simlipal, who's worked with elephants. He technically knows how the administration works. He actually has drafted policies, implemented work, and if you were behind a button, a phone call, anybody in the administration reaches out to him, and there's a lot of network that he carries along with experience. So this is the culmination of the experienced and the youth. And the previous panel, I don't even have to mention as to what kind of experience were there. People from Delhi, people from Kolkata, all these people who can be brought together for some real-time work. And how do we, of course, take the grassroots local heroes who are here and how we deliver results is the goal. And then there's this young man from Delhi who's actually using his position as a student, an urban Indian. He's using every platform. Maybe you should take more stories from Odisha to him. So he represents Odisha at a stronger level. And nothing to say more about Madam Adyasha.